had to do that because Arsenal won the FA Cup. Oh yes, Arsenal won the FA Cup 2-1 tonight. Congratulations to Arsenal. PSG won a treble yesterday. Okay then, let's get this over and done with. Harry Kewell has agreed to become the new manager of Oldham Athletic because, do you know, Marmino was sacked in the evening. He was sacked in the Oh, sorry, we're not doing the first verse tonight. Not even the first one. Ugh. Stephen Gerrard says that Alfredo Morelos is available for Rangers' trip to Aberdeen and the decision over whether the player leaves the club is in his hands. Breaking news! Wrong voice. Anyways, Paul Cook has officially left his role as first-team manager. And it's a done deal. Chris Basham has signed a new contract which will keep him at Sheffield United until 2022. And it's a done deal. Troy Parrot has joined Millwall on loan for the 2020-21 season. Interesting. Mesut Ozil and Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, I don't think. Ozil and probably Aubameyang's future at Arsenal is uncertain. Liverpool will face competition from Manchester City as they look to sign Sevilla centre-back Diego Carlos, reports the Daily Mirror. Gerrard on Rangers transfers. Yeah, of course we want to try and add some faces to make us better and make us more competitive over 38 games. Celtic are doing 10 in the run, I know. And Dundee are staying up, yeah. I mean Dundee United! Oh! Now all the Dundee United fans are going to hate us. Also, it's a done deal. Callum Kemps has joined Fleetwood Town. Yeah, Fleetwood have signed midfielder Callum Kemps on a free transfer from Rochdale. Should Rangers cash in on Morelos? Maybe. I would not try to keep him. And it's a done deal. Lille has signed veteran Turkey striker Burak Yilmaz from Besiktas after selling Victor Osimhen to Italian side Napoli. Harry Kewell is excited about Oldham Athletic project. He hasn't officially signed yet, so we can't say it's a done deal. Nope, but we can say a lot of done deals, yeah, especially in League 1 and League 2. Yeah, just you wait. Oh, here's the first of the done deals. It's a done deal. Bolton have signed Liam Gordon on a 2-year contract. That's Bolton's 6th summer signing. Goodness me. And it's another done deal. Crawley have signed Tyler Frost on a 2-year deal following his release from Reading. And it's another done deal. Joe Ironside has signed for Cambridge. He used to play for Macclesfield. And it's another done deal. Well, almost. He hasn't officially signed. West Brom youngster Finn Azaz has agreed to terms on a Cheltenham loan move. From Premier League to League 2, yeah. Watford have held talks with Udinese's caretaker manager Luca Gotti as they look to find a replacement for the sacked Nigel Pearson. Newcastle are interested in Sassuolo right-back Rogerio, according to Sky in Italy. And Aubameyang has said nothing on his future. Oh, well, that's all. Wait, that's all? That was quick. Bye. Fellas, it's a done deal.